Okay, be honest for a second. Have you ever studied for hours and still got a grade that made you question your entire existence? Because same. And here's the part that still blows my mind. You don't get good grades by studying more. You get good grades by studying smarter. And most students, they're wasting 70% of their study time without even realizing it.
I'm a small YouTuber, and your support means the world to me. Please consider subscribing so you can stay with us on our upcoming videos.
The real problem. Nobody talks about this. School teaches you what to learn, but it never teaches you how to learn. So you end up doing everything the hard way, reading the entire chapter, copying every single note, highlighting like your life depends on it, then wondering why nothing sticks. You're not bad at studying. You just learned the wrong method. Pause. Let me show you the way out. The rule that changes everything. Active greater than passive. Most studying is passive. Reading, rereading, highlighting, watching videos. It feels productive, but your brain is basically asleep. Active studying is the opposite. You force your brain to do something, recall, explain, test, connect. And when you switch from passive to active, you learn faster, remember longer, and study way less. Here's how to do it. 4 steps that actually work. Step 1. Replace reading with blurting. Instead of reading a chapter 5 times, do this. Read it once. Close the book, then write down everything you remember, no peeking. This forces your brain to recall, and recall equals memory. Step 2. Use the teach a 5-year-old method. If you can explain a topic in simple words, you understand it. If you can't, you don't. Pretend you're teaching a kid or your younger sibling. Break it down. Use simple examples. Watch how your brain clicks into place. Step 3. Do mini tests, not marathon sessions. Short bursts greater than long suffering. Instead of a 3-hour cram, do 3 20-minute tests throughout the day. Testing is studying. It's literally the fastest way to learn. And you won't burn out halfway through. Step 4. Stop studying everything. This is the part students forget. Your exam won't test the whole textbook. It tests patterns, concepts, the core ideas that repeat. Find those, focus on those, master those. Once you understand the foundation, the details stop feeling overwhelming. Why this works? Quick brain science. Your brain isn't a hard drive. You can't download information by staring at it. You remember what you use. You remember what you explain. You remember what you test yourself on. Active studying builds strong pathways with a fraction of the time. Try this tonight. Pick one subject you're struggling with. Try blurting for 10 minutes, then test yourself for 5. Then explain one concept out loud. That's it. 15 minutes. You'll feel the difference instantly. You don't need to grind 5 hours a night. You don't need highlighters in every color. You don't need to suffer to succeed. You just need to study the way your brain actually learns.